Welcome to demonstration of online exam proctoring process. Remote proctor has various facilities where remote proctor can see the entire activity of the remote candidate who is attempting the online exam. Remote proctor can also initiate the chat with the remote candidate. There is also facility available to broadcast message to the candidates. Remote proctor can verify identity of the remote user where remote user can show the identity card prior to start of the online exam. Even there is a facility available to pause, terminate or resume online exam of the remote user. So in short, remote proctor can monitor remote exam in order to prevent cheating during online examination process. So there are various facilities available. Using login screen, the remote proctor can log into the system, and then there is a process available where candidate will show the identity card as shown on the screen, and there is a approve button available. On clicking on approve button, candidate will be approved to start online exam. If this iCard is valid, then remote proctor can click on approve. Otherwise, reject button can be clicked where remote candidate need to show the valid identity card. And this way, this is the live screen or live streaming activity window where as a remote proctor, you can see the live activity of the various candidates who are attempting the online exam. So there are various controls available. So using this button, you can initiate live chat with the remote user. Using this button, you can pass the online exam. There is a facility for terminate exam. Even if you want to listen to the audio of the candidate, then you can use this control. On clicking on the user's streaming, you can see the live user activity as well as screen activity associated with the candidate. Roll number will be shown over here. So this way you can see the screen activity live during online examination process. You can also initiate a live chat with this button, and candidate will be instantly able to see the live chat text, and candidate can respond to that text as per the requirement. And of course, there is a facility to terminate and pause remote exam of any user. If you find that candidate is doing some kind of malpractices, then you can easily pause or terminate the online exam. Plus, there is a broadcast button available. Using this broadcast button, you can easily broadcast message to the multiple candidates who are attempting the online exam. You can view the live statistics like total number of candidates assigned to particular proctor, total number of candidates who are attempting the exam, total number of candidates who have completed the exam, or those who are yet to start online exam. All those statistics will be visible over here. So this way you can easily monitor, control, invigilate remote online examination activity using Ekalavya platform. Please note that in this training video, some of the activity or photographs of the candidates or identity information would be blurred. Right now, one of the candidate named Bharathi Ramanathan is showing his identity card. So as I click on it, I can see the identity card. I need to verify if this name of the candidate is same. So as I can see, photograph is matching and name is also matching, Bharathi Ramanathan. So I can click on approve button as shown. As soon as you click on approve button, that button will be invisible, and candidate will be able to start the online exam as per the schedule. So identity verification is completed in this case. So as you can see, this is the overall proctoring user interface available where I can select the name of the exam and its associated schedule. I will be able to see all the candidate details like name of the candidate is shown, and there are separate buttons available for the live chat or pause and termination of the exam. Right now, examination process is in identity verification stage, so everyone is showing their identity card for the approval purpose. So if I click on it, I can see the candidate iCard which is being shown over here. As a proctor, you need to match the name of the candidate along with the name shown on the identity card. So this way you need to match those details. So I have logged in as a proctor for one of the online exam, and you can see the details associated with the proctor. You proctor can see the live recording associated with live monitoring associated with each individual. As you can see, there are 25 odd students who are attempting the exam, and as a proctor I can click on individual student. I can see the details associated with the student who is attempting the exam. Even there is an option available to pause and terminate online exam as well. There is also option available for the chat. So if I want to have a chat with this student, I can click on it. I can initiate the live chat with the user as well. At any given point of time, I can see the total attendance associated with exam, where right now you can see there are total 26 students. 24 have already started exam, and that is their exam is in progress. So here is the process where I can easily monitor individual candidate. Even there is a facility available to listen to the audio of the user. So if I want to listen to the audio, I can click on it and I can click on play button, so that audio associated with the user will be directly played. So you can easily verify if student is speaking with someone while attempting the exam. So you can easily monitor video activity. You can also see the entire activity associated with the user. Even there is a facility available to broadcast a message. If I want to send particular message to the candidate, then I can use the broadcast facility, where we have provided some standard messages related to, say, online exam session record warning or welcome message says that welcome to your online exam session. I am your proctor and I will be monitoring your exam throughout the session. Even if is any particular candidate is doing any unfair practices, then you can send a warning message as well. So this message can be broadcasted to individual candidate, or you can send it to all candidates as well. So this way you can easily monitor remote candidates who are attempting the online exam, and you can easily see their things, activities live during online examination process. Apart from that, all those videos are recorded in the system, and those will be available in the system at later point of time for the referral purpose as well. So you can easily refer to those videos to verify and authenticate the candidates who are attempting the online exam. I can see entire live streaming activity associated with each individual candidates. I can also initiate the live chat by clicking on this chat box. Even there is a facility to pause or terminate online exam. Even I can listen to the audio around the candidate. So here is that live chat box that is popping up, where remote proctor can initiate the live chat, or even remote candidate is also able to initiate the live chat. In the proctor view, there are two views available. One is gallery view and another is detailed list view. So if I click on list view, you can see the detailed information associated with each user, where exam status is shown as in progress, candidate has approved, time remaining for the exam is 5 minutes, total number of times window switching happened for this particular candidate is 4, and I can initiate live chat. I can do the pause termination process. I can also listen to the audio around the user. So this way I can easily monitor, I can control, or I can view the entire live streaming activity associated with remote exam. I can also view the remote exam screen view as well, where remote exam screen associated with the candidate can also be seen. In this scenario, there is no face or candidate is not present in front of the screen. So face not detected message has been shown over here. So in this scenario, face if candidate is looking around, then also face detection failure message will be shown. I can see the live streaming by clicking on the this button, and I can also initiate live chat with the candidate by clicking on this chat box as shown. So I can send a chat message to this candidate over here. I can also listen to the audio. So if your candidate is trying to speak during exam process, then that audio also gets recorded and I can listen to that audio over here. So entire activity associated with exam process is also streamed. Even I can see the screen recording associated with the exam as well. So this way you can easily monitor remote candidates, and we have provided two views where if you click on detail view, then detail view will be shown on the screen where you can see all the buttons associated with the exam, or total time remaining associated with a particular candidate is also seen, plus number of times a candidate has tried to switch the exam window, that has also been shown over here. So this way you can easily monitor remote exams for the candidates, and using this gallery view you can see multiple candidates, like more than 20 to 30 odd candidates in the single view of the online exam process. There is also a facility available where you can see the summary of entire activity. So in this case, for this proctor, there are 29 candidates associated. Approved candidates are 25. Then in progress candidates are 25, and 4 have not authenticated. They have not started the online exam. So this way, you can see the summary associated with proctoring in the this I button shown on the screen.